What's up with that highlights of Nico and passing goal? You didn't get my shootout goal.
Oh, I did get your shootout goal. I recorded the whole shootout. I didn't clip all the individual shots in the shootout. I just did the whole shootout. It's on there though. Oh, backhand!
It's on my.
Oh no, I didn't send you that one, but it's on the YouTube. I'll send it to you if you want.
Okay.
Which team did you shoot out against? The Junior Reign or?
The first game, Junior Reign.
Junior Reign, first game. Got it. You're doing okay, Nikki? All right. Oh! Tripped him.
Get up! No,
all right. Hey, Max?
Now can we have every whistle shift?
I'm going to throw you up to offense because we're going to try Nikki and Nico for a minute. We're winning. Try to score a goal, all right?
Yeah, score a goal for the dad.
Ooh!
Everybody clap your hands.
All right. Hey, Max. Max, go forward. Your offense now. Here comes Max. Nikki's okay again. I'll keep Nico for a minute.
Or for a while.
Whoa, this guy. Here we go. Good job.
Elbow in.
Go, Riley.
I bet you they might pull the ball. I just shoved it. Who else is at defense? Who has two defense?
Someone got the front of the net.
Cameron! Cameron! He doesn't listen to it. You better
So it's a really long step.
Oh, Cameron!
Good job. Attack the puck, guys! Attack the puck! Good job! Yeah, I know. You guys are... Oh, cross check! Nice! That was... Go! Go, Cole! Nice! Oh, just a little too far in front. Nice job. Way to center it. Two hands. Here we go. Dump it in. Oh, good job, Nico. Yes, do it again. Good job, Nico. Ooh, get in front. There it is. Oh, come on, guys. Oh, almost. Get back. Good job, Nikki. Look around. Look around. Good job, Nikki. Get back, guys. Back check. Back check. Nice job, Nico. Way to bump him. Nice job. That's good D. Yeah, good D, Nico. I'm liking Nico on D. He's like bumping him off the puck, lifting sticks. That's good stuff. All right, get back on D, you guys. Get back, Nico. Get back, get back.
Riley, just keep the ball.
Ooh, Nico might end up with a penalty if he keeps this up. Stay on D, Max. Stay on D. There you go. Get back! Back check, Max! Hustle, hustle! Man in front! Good job, Ryan! Ice the puck! Nice! Good job, Cameron! Get back, Max! Get back!